Hello there, sun streaming in, little streaky across me. I am dressed for church. Thought I would do a video on, a quick one, on this dress. I got this from my Wantable Style edit, my first one, which was largely a bust. But I did get this dress with the little flounce across the bottom. It's a wide ruffle. It's in a sweatshirty material. And some people, you know who you are, said the dress looked a little dowdy because of the length. Well, I had it on with flat shoes. So here it is with a pair of pumps. These are a snakeskin pump by an inexpensive brand called Dollhouse. I've had them for years. I'm so happy that pumps are back in because they're my jam. So anyway, here we go. I am going to have a Wantable box unboxing, there we go, on Thursday. I'll be posting that. I'm going to do a second shot at Wantable, but even though the last box was largely a bust, this dress I felt like was a win. It feels like jammy material, very comfortable. So I'm going to get off to church, but just wanted to do a quick update and show everybody what it wound up looking like when I styled it. Alrighty, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.